The McMenamins Elk Temple in Tacoma, Washington, is a historic building with a rich past. Originally built in 1916, it was designed as a Masonic temple by architect W.B. Hansen. The structure, which boasts a striking Beaux-Arts architectural style, served as a meeting place for the Elks Lodge, a fraternal organization. Over the decades, the building's use shifted, and it fell into disrepair. In 2001, the building was acquired by McMenamins, a company known for repurposing historic properties into unique hotels, pubs, and entertainment venues. They undertook a major renovation to restore the Elk Temple, preserving its historic character while integrating it into their hospitality and entertainment operations. The 107-year-old building reopened to the public April 2019 after sitting vacant in downtown Tacoma for 33 years. The gorgeous new structure, which took 18 months and $34 million to renovate, might look shiny and new. The storied history of the site, however, is carefully preserved inside. Along with this building's beautiful and unique style came some dark and haunted past. Employees and guests reported ghostly figures, strange occurrences, disembodied voices, and a feeling of being watched and followed. Max Productions TV decided to spend the afternoon and evening checking out this historic and amazing place near downtown Tacoma, Washington. This is their experience. Come along and see for yourself.
Looks like they're abducting Bigfoot. That's pretty cool. Yeah, these paintings are just... Yeah, there's clowns on there. Creepy. Creepy.
Creepy.
Ready?
Where's the clown theme?
It's got a clown theme. Ready?
Are you filming us?
It's creepy. Well, here's that on the street. Street view of historic downtown Tacoma. All nightlife going on. There's a lot of good bars and stuff right down on near the waterfront. Good place to eat. Never been to this one. It's pretty cool. We have a McMenamins in Oregon and one in Centralia, and the old Spar Cafe. I think is.
Wasn't there one in Olympia?
Yeah, I think it's the Spar. We used to be. Is that the McMenamins too? It might be. They just call it the Spar. Wow. So here's where all the rooms are. That place we were looking at. You know, it's just interesting that it's very, very creepy. Don't mean to be disrespectful to this artist. It's got a spookiness about it. Well, gee, I wonder why. There's a witch. That's probably why it looks spooky to me. There's clowns and witches. Creepy elevator. Do you ever think you feel like you're being watched? Look at this. All these people are watching you in the elevator. There we are. Oh, look at this. We're on the 3 stories up, so. What is this? Yeah, I mean, we're 3 above the place we just ate.
Look at how open this is.
So this is all restored.
Wow. Who takes care of all these plants?
Oh no.
Hi, everybody.
Hello, hello. Brad and Amy here. Max Productions TV, just saying hello. Wow. McMenamins. Elk Lodge, or no, Elk, what's it called?
We had a beer.
Yeah, had a beer and dinner. Now we're ready to just, it's yeah.
Look at my phone.
A little tiny, little nook.
Oh my God, this is a comfortable chair.
Just a little tiny nook like right off the stairs. That's the place to sit.
Listen. I hear frogs.
And then there's rooms.
I hear frogs. Listen.
You hear frogs?
Listen. Hear it? There's a frog in the
think
water
so.
fountain.
There's a snake in my boot. There's a frog in the water fountain.
Oh, this cramp.
Are you an elk riding the goat? All right. Amy says she's related to Jimi Hendrix.
Damn, I
She's
looked it
related to everybody. She uses that app that says your family members. You're basically family with everybody in the world.
That's not true. She's stealing my thunder. Look.
And look right in and see what the rooms look like. It's nice.
These plants need water. What is that?
See the room? Isn't that
That's
cool?
the rooms?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We were just up there
It's beautiful.
looking down on this place.
Oh, I mean, this is amazing. And it has all about the person in the room.
Anton Huth. Do you recognize these names?
Anton Huth. No, if I had my phone, I could look up.
Okay, gonna walk right in front of me again.
Sorry. Welcome Bolt Builders. Dolly Crosta.
Oh, rooms are pretty nice.
Wow.
We're thinking about coming and staying here.
Yeah.
For sure, yeah. So,
Wow, this is amazing.
look at these old Tacoma Narrows Bridge.
Did you look at the headboards?
They didn't have a roller coaster on the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. That's cool though. I wonder if they thought about actually putting a roller coaster on the bridge though.
Actually, the headboards
10-cent toll. I thought this was really interesting. Before the building was remodeled, it was empty for what, 30 years? But these are the graffiti artists that kind of took over the building and were doing graffiti inside. And they kind of honored them, and they said, so they put their name in kind of a picture here. I don't know if that's what they look like, but because you can see around the top of the building, they painted some of their names around the top, and or their groups. Neat that they kind of honored them because their work was all, painted over. Here's the Elks Temple back in the day. And so we're going to go down to the 5th floor now.
Look at this. They put the floor right between the windows. That's creepy.
Yeah.
That must have used to be a window too. Look, the shapes. Did this used to have a window in it? And they took it out?
Oh no. That's cool how they did this roof though.
That'd be cool in our house.
Yeah, it would.
Big, tiny, tiny house. Isn't that
Oh,
something?
look at that.
There must be nothing to look at. They took the windows out of there. So this must have been the top
Interesting.
floor.
Like one of those gables, or not a gable, but yeah, a turret or a gable.
Yeah, isn't that crazy? But wait, so we're not getting to a floor here. So we're not going to get to go down the other floors. I want to see what the floor below the top floor look like.
Apparently
We need to
not.
go the other way.
So here's I was showing you guys the old courthouse in the painting. There's the old courthouse for real outside the window here. It's been abandoned for 20, 30 years, maybe more. What a great spot. Cool bar. Nice bar on the 3rd floor. Here's the last couple floors of the building here. So we have a bar on one, a bar and a restaurant on the 4th floor where we were at. And then this one's almost down to the lower street level. There's the waterfront down Tacoma, looking at the Port of Tacoma. So this is another bar. I thought there was a big restaurant down here too. So it's got multiple floors. Oh wow. Wow, look at this. Band and everything. How cool. Hi. Oh, no further? I'm sorry? No. And here's the street level. And they're having like a concert up there tonight in the ballroom that I just showed you. 4 bands are playing. They promptly kind of escorted me out of there, though. I guess I wasn't supposed to be in there. But what a cool place. Please seat yourself. A lot of McMenamins have movie theaters in them as well. And I guess this is another restaurant. Carver the Great. Oh wow, look at this place. Another bar. Ah, so this is the place they call the Magic Mushroom. Pretty cool. A little shout out to Viking. A friend, he'd probably appreciate that. My buddy from Canada. This building is truly amazing.
Craving your kiss, I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear. Just saying this, sweet dreams till sunbeams find you, sweet dreams that leave all worries behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of